I'm probably just a big idiot and don't know like a basic thing, so. What's up, Wolfpack? It's WIGSLY. I'm in Tim's garage. I'm here with the new Harley Sportster that I just bought to ride on this channel on this adventure with all of you. And I've got parts. This bike's getting a makeover right away. There's a bunch of things about it that aren't really like my riding style. We're gonna do handlebars, grips, mirrors. This bike has mid controls, which I am not really a fan of. I very much prefer my feet in front of me. They're not super uncomfortable, but you know what? This is my bike and it's my first Harley, and you customize a Harley, and I want my Harley to be comfortable. I could go through and like really unbox everything and do separate videos and take forever to do this, but it's kind of nice out today and I kind of want to ride my Harley. We're gonna knock all of this out in one session. I'm gonna tell you everything I used. I'm gonna put links to every product that I'm putting on this motorcycle today in the video description down below the video box. Make sure you check that out. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm not being paid to endorse anything. These are the parts that I picked out based on my budget. You know, so far I have opened everything and checked that everything's there and all the hardware. It all looks good. We're gonna see once it's on the bike and how install goes and that everything fits. We'll see about riding it. We have to get the stock foot peg out of there, but everything's installed and ready for the linkage. And so for right there, we're gonna leave it off and we're gonna come back in a day or two. But I am really happy with the foot position there. Way better than the mid controls. Guys, that's gonna do it for this video. We are road ready. Forward controls are installed, bars are installed, mirrors are flipped. There's a lot more parts that are gonna go on this bike that I already have and that I'm ordering. So we'll start going over things piece by piece, video by video. Moving forward on this bike, I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited at the way this turned out. These bars are the perfect height. I'm very happy. I didn't have to change any cables, wires, or anything like that. The forward controls went on with a little bit of hassle. As always, if you liked the video, please hit the like button, leave a comment, hit the subscribe, ring the notification bell if you want to see new content first, and there's lots of content coming on this Harley, on this channel. Spring's about to break, and I'm really excited about it, you guys. As always, I am WIGSLY, and I will see you on the road.